Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me hibiscus powder from the brand Vihado. This is 100% pure and natural. I had reviewed the Vihado basil seeds a few weeks ago and I'm still consuming that. I try to consume that daily and I can definitely feel a positive change in my body. In the way my body is functioning, I can see a positive change. So let's talk about this hibiscus powder. This is a 100% pure and natural hibiscus powder, and this is vegan, gluten-free, pure and non-GMO. And this 200 grams of product retails for 299 rupees. Hibiscus, also known as gudhal, is a flower, and it has been known that this flower is very good for our hair and our health. This powder is made from dried and crushed hibiscus flower petals. I had used this as a hair mask and you can see how nice my hair is looking. Hibiscus is known to maintain the health of your hair follicles, and also this keeps your scalp healthy. And if you have frizzy hair, if you have unmanageable hair, then you should apply hibiscus powder mask on your hair and your scalp, and you should do this thrice to 4 times a week to see desired results. This comes in the form of a ziploc pouch, if you can see, and once you have used it, just seal it tightly so that moisture doesn't get inside. If you have to use this as a hair pack, you can use equal quantities of hibiscus powder with amla powder and make it a smooth paste and apply it on your hair and scalp and keep it for 30 minutes and wash it off. Your hair will be very nice and shiny and manageable. And if you want to make your hair dense, if you want to initiate hair growth, and if you want to make your hair luscious, all you can do is take a little hibiscus powder, add 2 egg whites, yogurt and make a hair mask and apply this on your hair and scalp and keep it for like 40 minutes and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Always remember to wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Do not use a strong shampoo, because that is not going to provide any benefit to your hair. So use a mild shampoo and wash it off, and do this twice or thrice a week to see the desired results. So I use this on my hair as I told you. So let's just quickly see that demo first. Okay, so this is the Vihado hibiscus powder and I'll be taking 2 teaspoonfuls of this. 1 and 2. You can mix either water, or you can also mix rice water to it, but I'm just using normal room temperature water. You can customize this according to your needs. You have to make a thick and a little runny kind of a paste. Do not make it extremely thick because it will be difficult for you to maneuver on your hair and scalp. This kind of a paste will be good. See the color, it's so beautiful. Okay, so you can see my hair is looking so dry, rough and so messy. I'm not liking it. So I'll be applying this pack. Just take sections of your hair and apply it. You can cover your entire scalp and hair, like you can take a huge quantity of powder and cover your entire scalp and hair. I'm just showcasing you the texture and how to apply this, but obviously you can do it your way. Do not forget to cover your ends. While applying this pack, I noticed my fingers were getting a little pink. So that got me worried because I thought I don't want to turn my hair pink. But though the moment I washed my hands, the color had gone. So this is not a permanent color, or this doesn't leave any color. So I'll just keep it. Now it's dry, I'll wash it. See, this is the result I'm talking about. My hair is looking so soft and so bouncy. And it's shining. I don't have shiny hair, but it is shining right here. My hair is looking really very good. I love it. You can see. As you can see, my hair is looking so nice and shiny. If you can see, my hair is looking quite shiny. My hair is curly to wavy, and it's very difficult to manage that kind of a hair. So mostly I keep my hair tied. But yes, after using this hibiscus powder, I can definitely see my hair is looking very nice and shiny. And I didn't have amla powder, I just used hibiscus powder. You can also do that and just mix it with water and apply. Or if you use henna on your hair, like that henna on your hair, you can mix hibiscus powder with henna for extra results, for extra positive results. This one powder is versatile. If you apply this on your hair, it will be good for your hair. Yeah. So that was it. I'll put the link in the description box. That will directly take you to the product. Do give this product a try. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care and I love you all.